this is Jesus from jazzprophoto.com. Today we're going to do an intaglio print of a geisha, so stay with me. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the content that you're seeing today. Intaglio printing is a process of etching or incising into the surface of the material and then drawing a print from that substrate. It's better with a printing press, but I don't have one. So I'm doing it without the printing press, and so can you.
Have a piece of paper with the drawing on it. I put a piece of Duralar, I tape it down, and I begin to use the very sharp pointed instrument that I have to etch into the Duralar and incise the lines. With my other hand, I'm always checking to see if the lines are deep enough, if I need to go over it again. Also making sure that I cover or etch into all of the areas where there is a line showing through the Duralar onto the artwork. This process continues for a while, and that's why I actually reduced or sped these clips up. So you'll see me working a little faster, but you get the idea that this is something that takes a lot of time, but it's fun. Now the materials that I use is a dauber, which is a piece of felt rolled up with tape around it, some Akua ink, some tarlatan, and some scrap newspaper, which I use as the final polishing for the plastic Duralar before I make a print.